Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to draw in Notion. And this is quite simple. What we want to do is go to a second tab and search for sketchpad.app, do enter, and then right now he's loading, and then we have here a massive whiteboard screen. And if we copy this link with Ctrl+C and we go to here and do /empt, click on that, we do right mouse click, paste, and we do end link. He is loading, and then right now if you want to paint something or write something down, we can do that simply by just doing this. Now we can also do undo and delete everything. Now let's go maybe remove this, and then yeah, you can paint whatever you like. Now, paint something like this or hi, but this is how you can draw something in Notion. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.